Hi friends! Welcome to another beginner-friendly hand embroidery tutorial. In this video, we'll teach you the long and short embroidery stitches. Long stitch involves creating longer lines of thread on the surface of the fabric. Short stitch involves making smaller stitches that lie close to each other, as you can see here. Interestingly, long and short stitches can be combined in a long and short stitch, which is often used for fill work in more complex embroidery projects. This technique is particularly useful for creating gradients or shading effects. In this video, we will showcase you the use of these sticks in making a floral design. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting!